Hello guys, this video will be helpful if you are facing headphone issue with your Xiaomi mobile. If you are seeing headset icon on the top right corner, even after removing the headphone or earphone, this can be resolved by one trick. I have removed my earphone, but still I am seeing this headset icon. This is some bug with the Xiaomi mobile. I'm just highlighting it here. Other major issue with this problem is if you receive the call, you will not be able to hear anything directly by the mobile phone until you connect the earphone. So to resolve the issue, you just need to follow one small trick. Now take the earphone and do the plug in and plug out very frequently. I have done around 10 to 12 times, and now you can see that the icon got disappeared. So now this is working perfectly for me. Whenever I'm connecting the headphone, the icon is coming up. In case if this is not work for you first time, please repeat the process. Thank you. Thanks for watching.